Hi, this is Joss'n, and I'm going to go over on how to use a fabric/transfer marker, and no worries, this is a simple transfer of print to fabric. So here we go. Some supplies that you'll need, of course, is a fabric transfer marker. You can buy this at Walmart, Joann's, or any craft store. You also need a colored fabric markers to finish up your design at the end, and then tracing paper, and of course your design. That's important. And really quick about your design, make sure you flip your design. So when you copy it, it will face correctly when transferring. Like, we don't want you to pull a Mean Girls moment, right? We want it to face correctly when transferring. So once that's done, then you're ready to trace your design onto the tracing paper. Next, you'll cut out the excess amount of the tracing paper. You don't want because it's a big square, you don't want the excess amount of the paper to get in the way while ironing. So just cut around your design and you're good. Now we're ready to iron. Now I'm using a onesie for this marker transfer, but it was for my niece's birthday. But you can use any product that you want, whether it's for an adult t-shirt, a pillow, you got options. Anyway, whatever product you use, make sure to iron it, right? No wrinkles, no creases. We want it to be flat, nice and flat. So once it's nicely flat, nicely ironed, you can place your design on the desired location and then press. I held the iron for a good 1 to 2 minutes before picking up the tracing paper. So, and I didn't just hold it either. I slowly circled, but really slowly circled. So be careful. And then once you're done, you're done. Voila. That's what it looks like. The transfer looks a little faded, which is fine because you're going to fill it in, right? With the color fabric markers. Now, I suggest always to outline your design. So I outlined my design. I went over the transfer with another colored marker, fabric color marker, and went over it. Think of it like a coloring book design. You want to have it nicely laid out. Then you can fill it in, kind of like a cookie cutter, 1, 2, 3. This section's blue, this section's red. Just fill it in. And then, ta-da, you're done. It's really simple. You can do it. Anyone can do it. This outfit was for a one-time use. So if you're going to wear it multiple times, please be careful when washing. The colors can bleed. But this is what the final product looks like. It was for my baby niece. It was her first birthday. And we were on a time crunch. So, of course, you can use the Circuit Cricut for a much better design. But time crunch, something inexpensive, this is what you can do. And more importantly, when doing this, all you need is confidence because it can be nerve-wracking. But you got this. Anyway, I'm Joss'n, and I'm just Joss'n. Thanks for watching.